bring those people in. There's actually a term for it. It's called acqui-hire. Ideally, nobody in your company should be irreplaceable, but the harder to replace some people are, the more valuable of an asset they are to you. So make sure they know they're appreciated. Hire the right people, and they'll make you rich. We've been lucky enough to have some amazing people in our team, most of them sticking around since the beginning, and we've enjoyed taking this journey together. Who knows? Maybe someday you'll get to meet them. Number 11. Raw materials and commodities. The price of raw materials and commodities fluctuates and varies depending on the market. If you're smart about it, you buy it when it's cheap, hold it, and sell it when it's in high demand. This applies to everything in life, from currency to oil to gold to crypto to luxury cars and art. Over the past 15 years, the price of gold has increased.